I'm Dr. Mark Lobanoff. I'm here at OVO LASIK Lens, and I'm here today to talk about the lens portion of our name. One of the lens procedures that we offer is called Restorative Lens Exchange. Sometimes it's also referred to as clear lens exchange or refractive lens exchange. So what exactly is restorative lens exchange? Inside everyone's eye, behind the blue or brown iris, there's a natural lens. This lens is attached to a muscle, and the muscle can flex the lens back and forth. It's a little bit like the autofocus on a camera, allowing a young patient to see distance, mid-range, and near almost fluidly, instantaneously. Unfortunately, as we get into our mid-40s, that lens loses its flexibility. And so even though the muscle is trying to get it to flex, trying to pull that focus into your cell phone, it starts to fail. And you start seeing patients in their mid to late 40s holding things further and further away to see them, and eventually they need some reading glasses or bifocals or another procedure to help them see better. This is the point where the human lens is beginning to fail, it's beginning to age, it's just not functioning like it did in its youthful state. If you see the progression of this, eventually, usually in our 60s to 70s, that lens becomes hazy and becomes what we call a cataract. We are very good at treating lenses. We've been doing surgery on lenses for over 50 years. The lens implant technology has really advanced to a tremendous state. And so now patients will come see us to have their dysfunctional lens removed and replaced with a lens implant that's going to give them better vision at all distances. We have options for restorative lens exchange that can allow you to see near without your reading glasses again. You can see your computer, you can see distance, and again, freeing you from glasses. Not only can we free you from the glasses at all three distances, but this is a permanent solution. It will restore your vision for the rest of your life. And then as an added benefit, you're not going to get cataracts as you get older. It will prevent you ever forming cataracts. When I talk to people about restorative lens exchange, telling them that there's a surgery that's painless, quick, fast recovery, and great visual results, they kind of scratch their head and they say, how come I've not heard of this before? And one part of that is that the technology has really advanced rapidly in the last 3 or 4 years. It's gotten so good, and I'm so confident in this procedure, I performed it on my own wife and my friends. Now my wife, she had great distance vision. She had never worn glasses. She could see 20/20 in the distance, but she was really frustrated. She'd reached a point where she couldn't read her cell phone. She couldn't read the menu in the restaurant, and even the computer was starting to get a little bit tough to see. She said, I really don't want to have to be tied to reading glasses. I've never worn glasses. And so I talked to her about restorative lens exchange. And after thinking about it for a little bit, she said, that's what I want. And so we performed the surgery. I performed her surgery. She has done well, loves the outcomes. In addition, I've had 5 of my friends fly in from all over the country to have the same procedure. I believe in it so much, I not only perform it on my own patients, but my friends and family. If this sounds like something you might be interested in, come into OVO LASIK Lens. Let us do an evaluation. We'll talk to you about the health of your eye. We'll talk to you about your options. The restorative lens exchange procedure is painless. It's quick, takes about 15 minutes, and very little downtime. As early as the next day, you can be driving. You can go back to work. You can resume most activities almost 24 hours after the surgery. So if you're interested in restoring your lens's ability, your eye's ability to see all of your world, near, mid-range, far, come see us. We'll discuss restorative lens exchange with you.